We're continuing to work on the letterhead. So with the same document open, under the Layers panel, you are going to turn on the flower layer, and then go to Window and Info to turn on the Info panel, because that will be very handy to use. Grab the Star tool, and we're going to draw a star that's 150 points wide. So that's why we needed this info panel over here. As you start drawing, you can see the width almost there, 150. That's pretty close. And under the swatches panel, we are going to fill it with this gradient blue. And then we need to turn on the appearance panel, so let me make room for that one. So this is another one we're going to have on, so that we can kind of watch what we're doing. Then with this still selected, you are going to go into your menu word filter. I don't have that on my version, but you'll go into filter, distort and transform, and twist. Type 45 degrees in the box if it's not already there. Mine was there because I've already done this once. And that will twist it. And then under this, we need to turn on the attributes the attributes panel. So let me make room for another one. Under the attributes, we want to click this center box, which shows the center of our star. That's going to be handy for lining up something else. But we do want to have no stroke on that star, so take the stroke off. Back to the star, we're going to start again, and since we have this center marked, we're going to start at the center to draw our second star, so it will be perfectly lined up on top. We want it about the same size as the last one. I can watch my info panel to get that there. This one is going to be filled with white. So fill it with white, and it does have a black stroke. For this one, we're going to use the pucker and bloat. So for you, back under filter, distort and transform, pucker and bloat, and we want it up at 50%. So you can click the preview if you want to see what it's going to look like ahead of time, and then click OK. The next thing we want to do is to get an ellipse again, so go back and grab the ellipse tool. And we're going to draw just a little small ellipse. This is going to be the center of the flower. Put it kind of right in the middle, and it will be colored bright yellow for the fill. And we also want a black stroke. I think I can get a better yellow than that. That's better. I'm going to move that a little bit over. Let's take that and group those together to make it into one. So now we can move it as one. In our transform panel, if you don't have it open the transform panel. We're going to tilt it at 10 degrees. So that just leans it over a little bit. And then we're going to make it smaller. So in the width box, we're going to type in 0.75 inches, because we do want it quite a bit smaller. Bring it up a little bit. So what we want to do then is have it selected, and we need 2 more copies of it. So I'm going to hold the the Alt key down and make two more copies of it. You can look at the picture on page 109 to kind of see how they overlap. And I don't think it matters a whole lot the way they're overlapped. And then I can put all of that together. I'm going to go out to the edge, and the flowers go down here in the bottom right corner. Now your letterhead is officially finished. Save that and either show it to me or turn it into the Dropbox.